clotting is. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. So now clotting is what happens to your blood. Anytime you have a wound, okay, and blood starts coming out, okay, you notice that when you put your finger over the wound, after a while, the blood will stop coming out, and something like it looks reddish will form over the wound, and that is it's a means to prevent further bleeding. Have you noticed that before from your experience?
I think the answer should be
You're not sure, but anyway, go ahead, guess. Let's
D.
see if you are correct. Eh?
D.
No.
E.
I'm sorry. The answer is C. Now,
What are
there's no problem.
platelets?
Yes, platelets, yes. Now, let me explain. The red blood cells, now each of these things are inside the blood. Don't get me wrong, okay? The plasma is inside the blood, okay?
Wait,
Platelets inside the
Mr.
blood.
Charles. Mr. Charles.
Yes. Yes.
Anytime you're bleeding, do the red blood cells come out?
Of course, now they're inside the blood. It's just because you can't see them doesn't mean they're not there. Do you understand?
They are so tiny you can't see them.
Yes, they're microscopic.
That's true.
You understand now?
They are the smallest. What is it called again? The smallest
Level of life in the blood, in the body system.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, in the body, yes.
Okay, so this is what I wanted to say before you interrupted me. The red blood cells carry oxygen around your body from the heart. Okay. So
Wait,
actually, they
so
start from your lungs. Let me finish, please.
Mr. Charles.
They start from your lungs. Okay. Then your heart pumps
Mhm.
the blood from your lungs to the rest of the body. All right. Now, if
Mr. Charles.
can I finish, Ugo? If you have a wound, okay, and that wound does not clot, it can lead to shortage of blood, and it can even be fatal. That means it can lead to death. So it needs to be bleeding needs to be what controlled. Because I want you to imagine for a minute, your body needs oxygen, and the very things that are carrying the oxygen around the body are leaving the body. What do you think will happen?
Suffocate.
Yes, suffocation, which is lack of oxygen. And if that continues, it can lead to death. Now, the white blood cells are
Mr. Charles, so
responsible
you're
for
saying
fighting
that
infections. What did you say?
anytime the red blood cells leave your body, oxygen is leaving your body.
Yes, it may not be a significant amount, but if it continues heavily like that, that's what's going to happen.
Like rain in this month.
Okay. Yes. So that's what we're trying to say. So now these platelets, right? Platelets are equally inside the blood, but their job is to look out for any opportunity to do what?
They're like construction workers.
To prevent the blood from going out of the body. But you have to help them.
Mr. Charles.
That's why I said you have to put your fingers over the wound. There should be some effort to halt the blood. Then the platelets can now act. Does it make
Platelets are
sense?
construction workers. I
You
like
can say
construction workers. Anytime the wound anytime you have a wound, it's like a bridge or something is being broken. Then they now need help to rebuild it.
Okay, you can say that too. Yes. Okay. So that's
And this in their time will be, and this in our time will be years in that time.
okay. Yes, true. True. Okay. All right, so that's the answer. So have you written down the answer? Okay, good. So you
And
see,
number 44 was a
the
pretty
aim.
interesting question.
Yes, it was. Yes. Now I
I
want you to
never
take
knew
note of
anything
something.
about the platelet.
Okay. Yes. And that's what you just said now also applies for what we did in mathematics. You saw that there were some topics that you've never learnt about, isn't it? But now you have an idea of them. The only thing that you now need
Yep.
to do is to keep up
You
with
learn the
practice. That's why I
formula.
said, yes, you need to learn the formula. Don't just write it down in your book and close the book and go to bed. No, you need to go back to the book. And I gave you the questions. Put on your computer, look at the questions, look at the answers, see how we solved it that day. If there's anything that you don't understand, that you forgot about the steps, you are free to ask me on WhatsApp. So
Okay.
please take advantage, because I'm telling you, you see that there are a lot of your friends that don't know about the things that you now know, which is both in maths and science. So please take note of it. All right. So I'm moving on now. Can we go to number 45? Can you see number 45 now?
An example of an organic acid is
Mhm. Yes. Have you heard of, do you
um,
know what an acid is?
no,
Okay.
I don't even know.
Okay, don't worry. You guys will learn about acids soon in science. But for
When?
now, in science,
In year
basic science.
5?
Now, but for now,
In
just
year 5?
understand
We
that
don't do basic science.
you
You
will
only
do
do
it.
normal science.
You will do it to go. Whether it's normal science or not, it's still science. So organic just
Crap.
means that you can find them in living things. Okay? You can find them in living tissues.
Can you
Is that
find
okay?
acids in our does that mean you can find acids in the body
Yes, that's what it
of a
means.
living
That's part of
of
what
of a
your
human?
stomach has. Okay? That's part of what your stomach
That's true,
has
that's true,
to
that's
help
true.
it. Are you listening to
I
me?
thought anytime wait, yes. Before when I didn't know
You are
about
not
it,
listening to
I
me.
thought
You are not
any
listening to me. Ugo, if you are listening, at that point, you will not be saying anything. Let me finish. I'll give you time to talk. Okay? Just let me finish.
okay.
I'm not going to talk all through. So I was saying that acids can be found in the body, and there are some that can be only manufactured in the lab. Okay? And they should not by any means find their way into your body, because they are poisonous and they can, some of them are really, really corrosive. Now, the organic acids, like I said, that can be found in the body or in living tissues, is they have different functions. For instance, the one in your stomach, right, is called, it helps in digestion. I know you'll be wondering, why should there be acid in my stomach? Well, that's how God designed us. The acid is there to help your stomach digest your food. If you don't have those acids, they may not be able to carry out the necessary chemical reaction for your food to digest. Now, among all the ones that are listed here, right, the only one that I've seen that is organic is that hydrochloric acid. It's called hydrochloric acid, or it's represented as HCl. Like I said, you learn more about them. I don't want to take you into details. Okay, so what did you want to say?
Before when I didn't know about there was acid in my stomach, I used to be thinking anytime I'm
Yes,
full, like I used to be thinking I'm like
to be doing
the
what?
food is not even getting moving. The food is not even
Yes.
moving.
Okay,
I'm like, oh, can this food just
okay.
go? I'm so full. Uh, and
Mm,
and I
mm,
kept on and I was like, oh, I need to push soon. because I thought that was the only way it can be removed. But now I know you
Okay.
can. There's acid, so the acid will
Mm.
burn the food inside our
Mm.
body.
Exactly. Exactly. Okay. So have you written it down? Hydrochloric acid. Okay. Have you written it down?
Yes. Yes.
All right. Good. So the next question says the alkali or alkali used for soap production. Have they taught people how to make soap in science club,
No,
math
I don't
science?
do science club. I don't do
You've
math
never you've never
science.
gone for math science.
No.
All right. You know what I'll tell you to do? I'll challenge you to join math science next time. Okay?
Okay.
You will learn a lot. In fact, let me even tell you the truth. You will learn a lot about things in science that you may not before your classmates, your colleagues learn it in class. It will be a long time, but you will learn it in math science for free.
Not for free, oh. You have to pay for the
I know, I
learning.
know, I know. I was only joking. I know it's not for free. You have to pay for the club dues
Club.
and all that. But what I'm just trying to say is that you would what you would learn, right? You would be better off in math science than not in math science. So just suggest to your parents, maybe next time, okay, daddy, I want to join math science, and then let's see how it goes.
But I also like football.
Yeah, I know football is nice. Don't you play football at home?
Nope.
Mm. You guys don't have something like a compound where you could play football there.
Even though I don't even like asking my mom to go there.
Okay. Anyways, just just take my word for it. You will learn more if you are in math science than if you are not in math science. Okay. So the answer to this particular question is sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide. That's E.
Sodium monoxide. Water oxide.
Sodium hydroxide. Hydro is from the word hydrate. That's water. Okay, so hydrate. It has something to do with water. Okay, so sodium hydroxide. Hydro is also linked to hydrogen. Okay, so hydroxide. Yeah, you can think about it that way. Have you written it down? Go. Have you written it down?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Let's go on to the next one. Limestone is a raw material used in the production of what? Have they taught people about limestone?
A.
A. Are you sure about that?
No.
Now let me say something. Do you realize that A is also a raw material itself? Bronze is a
Oh
what
yes.
they call it, it's a precious. So it cannot be A. You don't use one raw material to create another raw material. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say.
Yes, I do.
Okay. So which one do you think? But don't worry. So to avoid you guessing and then having the wrong impression, the answer is B. Did you hear me?
I was thinking of B.
Okay, so you are correct if you are thinking of B.
but I'm like, let me see if I can find any else.
It's B. You're correct. If you that's what you thought about. So it's cement. Okay. That's what
But
it's.
how do they even make cement? Make
It's a
limestone
long
into
process.
cement? How?
It's a long process. But anyway, you can check on Google. Google will be able to give you the whole details. But it's a long process. But just know that limestone is the main raw material that's used. Okay. All right. So let's move on to the next one. I'm sure you will know this one. The path which each planet moves around the sun is called its.
E.
Did you say E or D?
D.
Okay, D. That's correct. So it's the orbit. All right. So let's go on. Let me go to the next page. All right. It looks like science. We're almost done with science. All right. The weather symbol presented in the diagram below is what? What does it What does it look like?
I don't know. Because it could be
Look
rain or
at that.
snow.
Look at it.
D.
Is that your final answer?
D.
Looks like rain. Does snow come from a cloud?
I said C.
Huh?
I mistakenly said D, but I
Uh-huh.
forgot I said it.
Okay.
You're a hater.
Okay, so are we good?
Yes.
Okay. So look at the last question. I hope you can answer it.
Wait. Wait. I have three answers. But one of them has to
You
be
can't have
correct.
three. You cannot have three answers. Oh.
I said, but one of them have to be correct.
Now, which one?
B.
Hmm. Hmm. Ugo,
Yeah.
please look at it again now.
B. When Ada put an object. B.
Are you sure? Is that your final answer?
Yes.
So why didn't you say B all this while?
Said B.
I said, why didn't you say B all this while?
Because I was saying it.
Okay, let's go to, this one has to do um, okay, sorry, I think this is
Which question is this?
This is English.
English or reading comprehension?
Comprehension part of English. What is it? What happened? Huh?
Don't worry. Don't worry.
Ugo, I'm worried though. I heard you and I think I can tell what you are trying to say. You don't like reading comprehension. That's what you wanted to say. Go first. Go first. Okay, no problem. I'll pretend that you did not say it. Oh yeah, read it to yourself and.
Why?
Or can you read it out? Let's make it interesting. Read it out. Let's see. Let me see how whether your reading has improved. Read it out. It's a short passage. Just read it out quickly.
Have you ever built after me? Have you ever built after me? How did you feel after belching? Although some people consider belching a bad habit, there are many health benefits that result from it. Hey, I knew it. Belching helps the food we eat to digest better and faster. So don't say people shouldn't belch. Children normally feel uncomfortable and restless when they eat without belching. That is very true. Belching releases them from discomfort. I don't know what to say about that. Belching, after taking a what is that word? After taking
Aerated. Go continue now. Aerated drinks like beverages.
Like beverages help us to pass out the gas content in the beverages. It contains in them. Beverages contain acid, which is capable heavy and develop in bloated belly.
Yes. Have you ever experienced bloat?
No. What do you mean?
How will you know? You don't even know when you are experiencing bloat.
How did you know that?
Why do you think sometimes you feel like that's what makes you to belch now? After you take a bottle of food.
Anytime I feel so heavy, like my tummy will feel so heavy that I need to lie down. Oh yes, I experience that every time I'm done eating. What about my mom? And anytime I'm done eating my mom's best meal.
Which what?
I don't know. Everything she cooks, I guess. It's just 6 questions for basic science. Wait, no, I didn't answer number 7.
We'll go continue. We're in English now. What are you doing with basic science again?
Methane helps us to pass out carbon dioxide from our body. This helps. Yay! This helps in preventing bloated stomach. Oh yeah. And chest pains. Oh yeah. If we fail to belch after a meal, then we should pass from the other end. But if these two fail to happen, there is a problem from somewhere. we should try and see a doctor. There was only 8 questions in basic science.
Well,
I didn't answer some questions.
you did. You just didn't write it down. I'm not
Yes,
going
yes,
back.
I
I'm
didn't
sorry.
write it
You have the
down.
question paper there in front of you. You can look at it. You can do it later, okay? Leave some space for it and do it later. I start answering the questions in English.
I am going to do that 10 hours in the future. English.
The
The
first
most
question, can you
important
read the first question and answer it?
D. The answer to number 1 is D. The importance
Are
of
you
blood.
sure? Correct. I like that. Okay. Number 2.
Blood sugar is B. Carbon dioxide. Am I correct? Yeah, I'm correct. Number 3. One of these is an effect of not belching your children. Children think it's a bad habit.
Go. Read the question again. Remember, comprehension is all about understanding.
Let me read it. I'll also read it the passage again.
You want to read the passage again? Okay.
Yeah. Anytime I don't.
Have you seen the answer now?
Yes. Oh yes. It's an effect. Yes. I've seen it. I've seen the fish scroll down.
You've seen it?
Yes, scroll. You can go to number 3 now.
All right.
E.
Correct. I like that. Number 4.
Benefit. Advantages.
See? And you are good at this thing. I don't know why you are doing as if you didn't want to do it.
Then I stopped because it's pretty easy.
Okay. So there are 2 passages usually every exam.
That's true. If my higher tutor to clear a piece of farmland for him, he tried the laborers to do thorough work for him, and they assured him a good job. When the man finished the job, the rich man went to inspect it. He saw that one person did a very clean job, while the other did a bad job. He went to ask the man who did not and who did not. He said, "Oh, both men are good and two separate persons to classify." So one laborer to a plot of land. He told them he would pay them for each.
Ugo, why did you stop reading? Hello? Ugo, are you
I
there?
was reading in my mind.
Really? Okay.
You can go to number 6.
You are done reading now.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Say so.
Mm-hmm. A.
Okay.
Wait.
Number
Please go to
7.
the other page. I didn't write number 5.
Hmm.
I didn't even do number 5. Stop at number 4. That page stops at number 4. Mr. Child, that page stops at number 4.
Yes.
So that means it's at the top, it's on top of the second passage. Sorry
Okay.
for
So
telling you.
okay. Okay. Let's look at it.
Scroll up, scroll up, scroll up, scroll up,
Yes.
scroll up, scroll up, scroll up, scroll up.
You're correct.
Scroll up. I knew it. Once you go to service, one should always write avoid chest. Eat food, eat food and digest it first. Prevent a brutal and one should always. A.
Really?
I feel
Are
like
you
reading it again.
Are
Wait,
you sure?
please, I need to read it again. I know the part where it talks about that place. Please.
Okay. There goes.
I can't see it. You're still on this page. Okay. No. The question was how to prevent a bloated stomach, right?
Mm.
Uh, go to number 5. I want to see the options. E is see the doctor. Wait. Let's see the doctor. They're like, they no answer. Mr. Charles, I'm calling you on help to number 5. Mr.
I would
Charles.
go with yes, I'll go with C.
Okay, let's pick C. I said, okay, let's pick C.
Yes.
So number
Okay.
6. Number 6 was
Yeah.
A. Now number 7.
Okay.
Number 6 is A. Assist each other. No. Complete the work. Maybe. Be a very good one. Look for a password. Definitely not. Turn all the keys. Boom, boom, boom. B. Complete the work. Or let's check again. Or let me check again.
So you want to read it again?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead.
No. Wait. To make a whole piece. That question can be confusing because it's that question is tricky. I'm pretty sure the answer is B. To complete the work. Because which person does not want a work to be complete? If you're having a work and you say, do it with thorough, can you also can complete be a synonym for thorough? Mr. Charles,
That's great.
can complete be a synonym for thorough? Wait, no. I don't think so.
Can complete be a synonym?
For thorough. Aye.
Okay. Yes.
I think the answer is B.
But this yes. So
Am I not
he
right?
charged them. So even the word charged, you get, and then yes, it's correct. So
Says
yes, you're right.
B. No. I knew it. Number 8. No, number 8. No, number 8. You can scroll to page 11.
All right, take a look at this.
The rising of the shield evil. Which of these statements is true because the gender? A, A, A. Because it was hidden. It had to be hidden by the person who owned the land. And it was the rich man who owned the land. Because he bought the land. And when you buy something, that means you now own the thing. And thank God they didn't scam the rich man. Scam the rich man.
Yeah. Yeah. All right. So you're going with C, right? Oh, sorry.
Yep. E.
B.
E.
Okay. E.
E for elephants.
Was it not 2 laborers that he hired?
We conclude from we are on number 9.
Okay. All right. Go ahead.
Number 8 is A. Number 9 is E.
Number 8 is A. Number 9 is E. Okay.
Or number 9 might be B. An
Why you?
unknown person. It could be B because an unknown person could have, B.
Okay.
But
All
I'm
right.
sticking with E. Can we
Okay.
stop at number 10 for today?
Number what?
10.
No problem. Okay. So what's the answer for number 10?
D. The answer to number 10 is D. Identify the diligent laborer.
Okay.
Laborer
Yeah,
and reward him.
right.
We have officially done 1 hour.
Yes. And you did a good job.
I pray not
So
1 minute.
the homework. What did you say?
Imagine if time was so slow. We just did 1 minute. But if it was real time, it would have been 1 hour. So that means 2 minutes will be 2 hours. 3 minutes will be 3 hours. 1 hour will be 1,000. No, 1 hour. 60 minutes.
Okay. If you say
Wait.
that, yes.
Wait.
Okay.
No.
What happened?
A whole day will be 24 minutes.
That's an
That means
interesting
if
thought.
we just wanted to complete the class and it just turned 1 minute, we'll just be like, bye. We have done 1 minute for today.
That would be the shortest class ever.
Class in the world. But if the class was meant to be 30 minutes, it will turn to 30 seconds. Bye. And it will be the shortest class in the world. So Fine, because I really need to.
Yeah.
That's why I said, can we stop at number 10 for today?
Okay. So are you going to
Do the homework? Yes. Is the homework
are you
from
going to
11
work
to
on the
20?
math? Hmm?
Wait, is the homework from 11 to 20?
Okay. You have a lot of things to do, right?
Yes.
Hmm. Okay. So you're promising you will work on the maths, right?
Math um math or English. Mr. Charles. Hello, Mr. Charles. Mr. Charles.
Okay, we'll go.
Yes, Mr. Charles. Mr. Charles.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. What happened?
Okay. I thought that the internet was acting up, so it closed on my side. So I thought that it won't come back. Okay. All right now. So enjoy the rest
So
of your
math
day.
or English?
Maths, start with the maths. There are a lot of things you learned in the maths that you understand. In fact, I even think you did better on the English than even the science. So you know a lot of things in the English. It was the maths and science that there were some things that you don't know, especially the maths. So go through the maths again. Is that okay?
Okay.
Are you promising me that you will do that?
Yes. And I'll
Okay.
complete
All right.
basic science.
Okay. Okay, no problem. All right. So enjoy the rest of your day then.
You too. Bye.
And my regards to Fortune and David.
Okay.